Hello there, my friends, and welcome. If you're short on time, you don't want to waste months learning the wrong skills. You want to know what type of digital marketing actually makes the most money in 2025. Well, in this video, I'll share with you the most three profitable paths right now with real examples from real moms who are already doing it. Make sure you stick around to the very end because I have an exciting gift for you. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, originally from Malawi in Southern Africa. I'm studying for my degree in business here in Dublin. I help busy moms who want to replace their 9 to 5 job so that they can get that time and financial freedom to spend more quality time with the family. I help them learn the skills to build a successful digital business without having any technical skills, a huge following, or spending a single dime on paid ads. Now, as a mom, profitability matters because you only have so much hours in a day. You're busy trying to balance the family commitments, work commitments, cooking, cleaning, all that, right? So you want to get the most money for your time. So what you need to do is focus on the highest return for your activities. So for the same effort, would you rather get a percentage of the commission, or would you rather get 100% of the sale going instantly and directly to you? This, my friend, is what I'm going to be talking to you about. Not all digital marketing types are created equally. Some are nice to know, but others are powerhouses that you, my friend, need to master. So let me talk about the three most profitable types of digital marketing, which are worth you knowing, right? It's worth you knowing these high income skills so that you can use them for whatever you choose. The first thing is email marketing. The money has always been in the list, and email allows you to send one message out to hundreds and even thousands of people, to broadcast that message to them and to build a relationship with them, get them to know, like, and trust you. Companies like Shein, billion-dollar companies, have created this businesses using email marketing. Now, email marketing is so huge. It's a way, your email list belongs to you, okay? It's yours. No one can take it away. Social media is huge because you, my friend, are already on social media right now, and so is your target audience. So why not connect with your target audience on social media and get them from social media into that email list that we talked about, build a relationship with them, get them to know, like, and trust you. And why not? Now, the third one will blow you away. Why not promote other people's products, done for you products, and get paid 100% commissions, paid instantly and directly to you? So that's the third one, right? The third one is master resell rights, where you can buy a program one time, consume the program, learn high income skills, and then turn around and sell that same program as if you created it, getting paid 100% commissions, paid instantly and directly to you. So there's so many other things that you could do. You could do affiliate marketing, network marketing. These are great to complement them to these top three that I've mentioned, right? So to recap, it's all about social media marketing. Content marketing kind of goes hand in hand with social media. Email marketing is huge, but master resell rights, that's where the sauce is, right? This is where you make 100% commissions, paid instantly and directly to you, selling other people's products. So the winning combo is to combine these three skills, right? Learn how to leverage other people's programs, get paid all the money, master resell rights, learn email marketing, learn social media marketing, learn content marketing, all in one go. Because like I said, you use social media to drive targeted traffic to your email, and then you then from your email you get them to see your master resell right product, where they pay for that program, and you get paid 100% commissions, paid instantly and directly. Now, last year I came across this proven step-by-step 6-figure blueprint that was created by a grandmother of 6 children and 5 grandchildren. She went from zero experience, zero technical skills, zero following to earning over $1 million in just 17 months. And she is now on a mission to help 1,000 members of our community earn 6 figures. Now, I want to share with you our community, our bonus site, where we have over 55,000 members. Now, this is not the blueprint that she created. This is an extra app, an extra bonus site. You can see it's a community, 55,000 paid members. I could ask a question, and because there's 160 online right now, one of them would answer me, right? Guaranteed, complete stranger from across the globe. We're in Africa, Europe, Asia, North America, South America, Australia, New Zealand, Indonesia, everywhere. Now, what I love about the program is it's a one-time payment with no monthly subscription, but every single week we have live interactive coaching and mentorship. Our multi-millionaire mentor is doing a mentorship call on Monday, the 19th. 21st, we have social media Q&A with Amy, who's a 6-figure mentor. We have technical calls. We have everything that we need. Our classroom is our bonus site where we get additional tools and resources to help us build our business. Our multi-millionaire mentor just finished a 90-day sprint where for 90 days, send us a video just like this one with action steps. But she's also, she at the back of that 90 days, she started a 30-day. We're on day 13, where for 30 days, she's going to send us a video, cheat sheets and all that, showing us how to grow our social media following, how to grow an email list and grow a customer base. We have webinars, live interactive coaching and mentorship webinars where our 6-figure mentors do the selling and the telling for us. We have mindset training by a hypnotherapist, complete with exercises to help us get rid of that stinking thinking. We have mentoring calls. We even have a content vote where you can use this content. I want to finish off by sharing some wins that we have in our community. Chain, a day ago, first $100 sale came in last night. Alana, $1 billion, 20 months. 20 months ago, Alana was a complete beginner, had no followers, no experience, no tech skill, honestly, no money. 20 months later, South African millionaire, absolutely amazing. Paco, automated business working for us 24/7, celebrating his son's birthday, has pizzas, birthday, laughter. In the middle of that celebration, ding-a-ling-a-ling, $900 came through. Absolutely amazing. Congratulations to Paco and his family, right? Let me see. This still blows my mind. Jasenia, whilst we were getting ready to start the Nerf war at our homeschool, not back to school party, my phone buzzed and $900 notification came in. So you can see her gorgeous son there, $900 notification. I love those glasses. It looks so cool on her, right? Congratulations. And let me see, Angie, while having a little dance party with my boys, I heard a ding, $900 came, exactly what I dreamed a year ago, being fully present with the boys. So Angie just shows a picture of her and her boys here having a dance party. Look at the surprise face on there. Look at the notifications coming in. Absolutely amazing, right? That's, yeah, fantastic. And what's this? Winner chicken dinner, Logan, implementing these techniques. I've covered our mortgage, truck payment by yesterday. Daughter's emergency root canal, they don't take insurance. She's just sharing how this is absolutely changing his life. Absolutely amazing. Brandy, 2 hours ago, $900 sale while chilling on the couch. So excited for the new family, stepping into the dreams. This is exactly why I love this business. Freedom, flexibility, getting to celebrate others winning too. Tim, another $100 ding. Just crossed $10,000 mark since joining. Congratulations. Lynn, first $100 sale, first customer. I'm helping build a future, better future, and so on and so forth, right? Because because what we have here is a proven step-by-step blueprint that anybody can use. You can start from nothing, no experience, no technical skills, no following, and you can start to learn the skills to build a successful digital business. You get access to the blueprint, the live interactive coaching and mentorship, the 30-day growth momentum plan. You get access to the 90-day plan, the mindset training, the social media training, the content vault. Everything is there for you. Now, this month, I'm on a mission to work really closely with 12 moms to help them launch and grow a successful digital business, just so that they can quit that 9-to-5, replace that 9-to-5 income, and get the time and financial freedom to spend more quality time with the family. And they don't need to have any technical skills, any following, spend a single penny on paid ads. Now, if you would like to learn more about our proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint, go ahead and type blueprint in the comments. I would absolutely love to send you a free copy of our Freedom Formula blueprint. Now, I'll deliver this blueprint to your inbox. Check your spam folder, your promotional folder, and respond to my email. Let's have a conversation once you've gone through the blueprint, because I'm here to help you make an informed decision. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best.